occupying it.
Lots of
It's
cool
just
spiders.
finding them.
I mean, I had to put them together, but who cares? Yeah. And we got a big alligator that goes in his room. It has a battle and it's a stuffed animal. Yeah. It's green and there's an alligator in the fabric, so I'm like, this is awesome. And some finger puppets for 99 cents.
Fun.
I mean, IKEA is one of those places where you could easily...
Those little leggings would fit like half of his leg.
She's been wearing these since she was 2 months old.
Johnny has a pair, but I don't know if they fit anymore.
The baby legs, the real...
That's what weighs.
Yeah, they're so big on her.
Yeah.
You want to play with
Yeah,
this
those
thing?
are like little...
I'm shocked that he can pull that. That's awesome.
I've never seen him do that.
He did a few seconds ago. Yeah, it was under the couch and then he pulled it. It's amazing.
Sturdy. Well.
Yeah, just as you said. Yeah. She's overconfident. She thinks she can take a few steps now, so now she'll like lunge off of stuff even if she can't.
When Tyler moved into like a bed, and even when he was in the crib, I found a lot of inexpensive.
Oh, is it okay that she just took that? Okay.
Not sick, is she?
No, she's not sick.
And some wooden toys.
Yes, right. Good wooden toys.
Yeah, pots and pans, stainless steel pots and pans.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I've been giving her kitchen utensils. She loves it. Like whisks and stuff. Yeah.
IKEA has good wood toys.
Yeah? Oh, okay,
I
cool.
was surprised that I was telling Yanni I got a good bead maze, like big wood bead maze for $9.99.
Really?
They do
Nice.
really good for stuff.
Yeah, I was surprised. I didn't think they had like good wood.
Their bibs are awesome. Their bibs?
Oh, yeah.
And I'm like, oh, we don't need any bibs. But
No, I mean, they're so
bought
cheap and they're, I mean, they cover everything.
I bought some
Say
organic
hi.
bib thing from Amazon. They come
All right.
in a pack and cost like $15 or $10 or something. They totally fell apart.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
That's too
so
bad.
not worth it. And I buy these cheap ones from Target. They last forever.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I had my hands on that.
That is a small.
It is